Hi guys! So it's time for my July favorites. It's my birthday month, my favorite month of the year. Not really, but yeah, we're going to do my July favorites today. First up, we have my favorite lipstick. Now, it's weird, like I was never a nude person. I mean, I've been a nude person, but like in terms of lip shades, I've never been like a nude person. And lately, I've just loved like nude colors. I don't know, it's really weird. Like maybe I'm getting older and liking nude shades, but I always like bright poppy shades. Now I actually like nude shades. This is from ETUDE House. It's like a nice nudie shade, and yeah, I'm super excited because I'm in Korea right now while you guys are watching this, probably at ETUDE House buying lots of stuff. Up next, we have this thingamajig. It's called Sally Hansen 18 karat gold cuticle eraser. Now this was on sale on Nykaa and I thought, okay, I've never seen this, it's interesting. I always have dry cuticles, let me buy it. It's really like interesting. So it has this gel like thing inside. You squeeze it, you put the gel onto your like cuticles this way, and then it has like a scrubber thing, and you kind of like go it down with them and you scrub, and it's like a granule kind of texture, like it's grainy. You feel like, you know, like sand like texture, and then you wash your hands and then it gets rid of all that dry skin and you know, the dry cuticles that you have. And I have that a lot, so this has become like my night routine. When I'm watching whatever show, it's like yeah, then I go wash my hands, and it kind of like keeps them really like manicured. Like I haven't had a manicure in over a month, and I know you guys are going to say my nails are beautiful, but I'm going to have a manicure soon and they're going to go away because I'm going to go chop. Okay, up next, favorite movie. I have not been to the theatre this whole month. Can you believe that? Well, it's At the Heart of Gold is my favorite movie. It's a documentary I saw on, I think, HOTSTAR. It's about the whole US gymnastics team. Their physio was a real perv, and how he molested a lot of athletes, like actual Olympians, and how nobody spoke up for a really long time, and now he's finally been caught. And it's almost heartbreaking, but it's so real. Like you think of these athletes, you think of Olympians as like the biggest sportsmen and women in the world, and then you think that even they are going through this, and it's so sad. Definitely watch it. Okay, it's time for my favorite moment. This is something I've waited for 6 months to say. I am finally TV free. So last week I had my 6-month appointment with my pulmonologist, and I actually went to him just for my checkup, and I thought that it would still be a few more months, but he said I am completely TV free and I can stop my drugs, and yay! So yeah, it was insane. Like I don't think I've ever been this happy. Like I was so like nervously happy as I was leaving his clinic. I was actually trying to pay the secretary, and I was looking for my money, and she was like, oh my god, you look so happy. And I was just like so lost, and I was like, sorry, give me a minute. I was like all over the place, but yeah, I didn't really expect it. Truly, it's like if someone asked me what is one of your favorite moments in your life, it has to be this, not just this month. And yeah, it's like the best birthday gift I could have asked for, and yeah, really happy. Okay, favorite book. Sophie Kinsella, Remember Me. I've probably read all of her books. They're just light, easy, fun if you're looking for some like romantic, gossipy, cheesy books. Very good. I bought this, I think, when I was on my way to Kolkata at the airport. I usually buy books at the airport because I end up reading them on a flight when I don't have any screens or phones or nothing. And yeah, it's really good. I'm almost done with it. I would definitely recommend it if you're looking for a nice light read, nothing like heavy, and like it's just fun. Okay, time for my favorite song. Okay, so it's Old Town Road. This is like a family favorite. Zray actually told me about the song, strangely. He loves it. Now I love it. Vaibhav loves it. He sings it around the house the whole day. So oh yeah, Alexa currently knows this is our favorite song, and it's just a really nice song. Like, I like that it starts off all mellow and slow and then goes into this tick 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 tick. So yeah, favorite song. Okay, up next we have my favorite gadget. Now it's not here, it's in my house. It's my new Dyson Pure Cool Me like fan purifier thingamajig. Oh my god, it is amazing. So ever since I was diagnosed with TB, even actually before that, you guys have seen I've kept posting on Instagram to get a purifier, which is the best purifier, you know, all of that. And I can't tell you guys how happy I am with this. It's a purifier cum fan, and you actually have like fresh pure air like blowing on you. It's small, compact, so it's portable. That's what I love. So usually when I sit on the dining table and work, I put it on the dining table, or it's on my bedside table every night while I sleep. I've been using it for like, I think the past few days. It's amazing. Like, I really, really like it. It's quiet. You don't really hear it at night. And I just love that it's like a personal purifier. It's not something that you need to like shut everything and, you know, use. You can sit in a spot and it actually directs pure air at you, which is just what I needed. So yeah, that's one of my favorite gadget gizmo thingamajigs. Time for my favorite shows, guys. Okay, so I've been watching a lot of stuff this month and lots of amazing things. First up, Netflix. Money Heist is back. Okay, I love the show. It's a Spanish show with subtitles, which means you have to actually focus and watch it, which is great for people like me who are always distracted, because then you're focused on what you're watching. And I love the show, and I think I'm almost done with like the whole season in what, 2 days. It's that good. Check it out. Then we have Pose on Netflix, which you will understand if you watch the show that I'm not mad. I'm just part of the show. And they do a lot of fun stuff in the show. Watch it. Then we have Stranger Things, the newest season. Now, I liked it, but you know, I feel really sad when I watch it because I feel like all the kiddies have grown up. Like Dustin was like so tiny and now he's grown up. It feels like I've watched them grow up, which makes me feel old. But yeah, check out the new season. Then last but not the least, we have The Last Tsar. Now, for those of you who don't know, the Russian royal family ages ago were the Tsar and the Tsarina, not the king and queen, and they were actual like Russian royalty, and they were supposed to be like the richest in the world. And if you're a history buff, you kind of like this because it's like a it's not a documentary, but it's like a docu-series, so it's actually like a show based on the story, and it's really interesting. Up next we have HOTSTAR, Big Little Lies, guys. Okay, so again, I finished the whole season. That, you know, you have to wait weekly to get the new episode was just like, oh my god, but so worth it. Meryl Streep is unreal in this season. Her timing is just, oh, watch it just for her. Like, if you haven't watched the show, start from the first season and watch it. Then we have Euphoria, which is something new I've started. Again, one episode every week, so you gotta wait for it. But it's really interesting. Lots of teenage drama, drugs. It's very real and hard-hitting, and you actually feel for the characters. So I would definitely recommend that one. Then we have House of Saddam. Again, if you're into history and politics and things like that, this is all about Saddam Hussein, his reign, and you know, things that you probably won't know. Again, like a docu-reality kind of show, and it's just really cool. Check it out. So guys, those are my July favorites. Comment below with your July favorites, including me. It's my birthday month, so I can be your favorite. See you guys. Bye. Mwah.